Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do a little bit of a event here at my house. Just having like a little bit of like a car meet, get together kind of thing. I got the cars out of the garage, mine and my girlfriend's. So Camara's looking a little bit better. Recently got a little bit of a wrap going on it, so we're getting like the roof done, the hood is done, but it has some major flaws like down here that got to get redone. It's really bad. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but overall I do think that the car looks really sick, and I'm loving it with this new hood that we put on. Say a hardwood cow hood. Looks fantastic, and the roof looks pretty damn good with the wrap as well. And then I also did some little stuff here like the door handles, got a little bit of that. Just these like little triangle pieces here, and then of course I got my girlfriend's car, the old Mustang. She's got a 2010 Mustang GT, of course in like a nice maroon color. She just recently got headlights installed in hers as well. Another just awesome looking car, so I'm super excited about today. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have a couple cool cars here, and we'll just see what comes through and what people show up with. I think it's going to be a super cool event, and I'm excited to show you guys. But here's what we're going to start with, so let's see how it goes. All right guys, we are getting a couple people here, and we're getting ready to go on a ride in my buddy's Cobalt SS that he turbo swapped. It was a supercharged car originally. His name's Timmy. You'll probably see this car a lot on this channel, but it's kind of hard to see it. But we're gonna go take a ride here in the turbo car, and we'll see how it feels compared to a V8 power. Alrighty, ready? Go ahead.
Oh my god, that thing spins all the way through second gear. That is unbelievable.
That's pretty legit.
We still got more timing to add to it also.
Oh god. How much boost are you pushing in this?
Well, the gauge tops out at 20, and then once it reaches 20 plus, it goes back to 0, so we're somewhere over 20. Our guess is about 22, 23.
Wow. That thing, it's like second gear and beyond is unbelievable. Yeah. Like, it is fast. Wow, dude. Unbelievable how fast that is. I'm like jealous because like your car will like get traction and go, whereas like my car does not at all.
Messing around after work, and I was in third gear just cruising on the highway, and he said he just mashed the gas to go. You know, I'm just chilling in third, just did that, just went by him.
Wow. Unbelievable.
Alright, sorry guys, I didn't get to make an end to the video until just now. Clearly already got my haircut and everything, but the video is pretty fun. The Cobalt's pretty fun. Like I said, it was originally a supercharged car. He had swapped it over to a turbo, and not only is it just a turbo, you know, Cobalt. I mean, obviously they made turbo Cobalts, but this one's it's a 54 millimeter turbo, so it is like much bigger than the factory turbo Cobalts would have had. And I mean, it runs great. It still has a little bit of tuning that he's trying to get done in there. He's trying to get you know, everything just tweaked and where he wants it to be, but it's definitely going to be a really fun car, and I can't wait to see what it does at the track this year. I think he's gonna definitely do better than he did last year, you know, just with the factory supercharger and everything. I mean, he struggled to get the car to really even want to leave the line, so I'm excited to see what that car is going to do this year. I'm sure he'll be in more of my videos. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and I'm sure there will be plenty more that I'll have going on here coming into the car season. So thank you. Like and subscribe, and just keep watching all the videos. I appreciate it.